Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to install C compiler. Click to sourceforge.net link. This is the full path. Download this exe file. This is a GCC compiler. The exe file got downloaded. I will copy the file. Double click this exe file. Click install button. I will change the folder path. Click continue button. It will start downloading. Click continue button. Here we need to select C compiler packages. On the left side, select all packages. Select GCC options. I will also select C++ packages. With this we can compile both C and C++ programs. I will select these two options. Click on installation menu option. Click apply changes. Click on apply button. It is downloading all the packages from the net. Once all the package gets completed, you need to set the path of C compiler. I already have a C compiler in the C drive. I will show you the path. You can see the path which I have set. In the C drive, I already have a GCC compiler which is installed. Since this may take some time, what I will do is I will go to the existing C compiler and show you how to check whether compiler got downloaded successfully or not. Go to command prompt. Here you need to type gcc space version. If you get the version information, that means the compiler is installed successfully. GCC is for C compiler. I will check for C++ compiler. For that you need to type g++ space version. If you get the version information, that means the C++ compiler is installed successfully. You need to perform same operation on your machine. For example, currently the installation is happening on D drive. Once the installation completes, you should go to D drive min gw bin directory and give the version commands. Before giving the version command, as I explained, you need to set the path of both C compiler That's the end of tutorial. Thank you.